How to become a product manager, a step-by-step guide. Due to the economy's inventiveness and velocity, product management is a very sought-after career path. Guaranteeing that products conform to client requirements while carrying out company goals, product managers, PMs, are essential in bridging the discrepancies between companies, consumers, and technology.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
This role has become very famous and popular worldwide as businesses depend increasingly on product managers to keep their products successful. This guide will give you simple instructions and practical advice if you're drawn to this exciting field and want to know how to start as a product manager. What is the role of a product manager? Building successful products is the responsibility of product managers. For them to deliver products that fulfill both customer needs and business objectives, they work with various departments which include engineering, marketing, sales, and service employees. What are the everyday duties of a product manager? Here's a glance. Strategic planning, providing aims and strategy for the product. Community collaboration, creating operational communication between teams. Problem solving, identifying pain points and delivering innovative solutions. Market analysis, knowing the tastes and patterns of customers. Accepting an assignment that is difficult yet fulfilling is what it means to be a product manager. The process to how to become a product manager. To how to become a product manager, follow these steps. 1. Get the correct education. A good educational foundation in business, engineering, or similar fields can be beneficial, but there is not a one-size-fits-all strategy. Many PMs hold degrees in business administration, computer science, marketing. Certification programs, like those offered by Sprintzeal, can also provide you with industry-recognized credentials to boost your profile. 2. Develop essential skills. Product managers need a diverse skill set to excel. Some key skills include leadership, guiding teams toward a common goal. Communication, conveying ideas effectively across teams. Analytical thinking, making data-driven decisions. Time management, prioritizing tasks efficiently. 3. Acquire useful experience. Experience is important. For practical experience in product creation and leadership, start with side projects, internships, or entry-level positions. 4. Develop a robust portfolio. Put together a portfolio that points out your accomplishments, abilities for solving problems, and projects. A solid portfolio demonstrates your value as an aspiring PM. 5. Get product management certifications. In a highly competitive job market, certifications can help you stand out. Take classes like Sprintzeal's product management training to become more knowledgeable and self-confident. 6. Network within the industry. Connect with product management professionals through networking events, LinkedIn, and webinars. Building strong connections can open doors to valuable opportunities. 7. Maintain current knowledge of tools and trends. The field of goods management is always changing. To stay profitable, educate yourself with tools such as Trello, Asana, and Jira and keep on top of changes in the industry. The value of Sprintzeal in your product management process. The objective at Sprintzeal is to inspire professionals by offering outstanding instruction and certifications. Our product management courses have been designed to give you real-world experience and current understanding of the marketplace. Why choose Sprintzeal? Accredited certifications, endorsed by global governing bodies like PMI and CompTIA. Extensive training, addressing all aspects of product management, from pregnancy to execution. Demonstrated success. With our help, countless professionals have transformed their careers. With Sprintzeal's tailored training programs like CAPM, CSPO, CCNA, PMP, etc., for aspiring product managers, you can begin down the path to the career of your dreams. Additional tips for aspiring product managers. Here are some bonus tips to help you stand out in your product management career. Strategic socializing. Develop relationships with senior executives via communities, incidents, and LinkedIn. Remain curious. Keep going to study the latest advances in product management tools, technologies, and trends. Seek assistance. You may speed up your development by getting advice from seasoned PMs. Highlight your skills. Focus on achievements and contributions in your resume and portfolio.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.